move ahead with our second topic in the series Get Started with Power BI. Our second topic is reasons to implement Power BI. What are the reasons to implement and why you should learn and implement Power BI? Okay, it's a Power BI is a Power BI is a fantastic tool. Let us see what are the reasons where we should learn and implement Power BI in our day-to-day work. Graphical representation is worth 1,000 words of explanation. Everyone will agree with me that seeing a graphical representation it's very easy and simple to grasp and understand the insights behind the data, and graphical representations is simple to understand, and it's worth 1,000 words of explanation and speeches and spreadsheet based reports and all. So graphical in present representation helps you understand your business insights very easily, and it's very simple to understand. Upgrading static reporting such as spreadsheet based reporting. All these years, everyone will agree that all these years we were used to using spreadsheet based data and creating static charts, bar charts, pie charts, and everything related to graphic charts and all. We were using spreadsheet, but the data in spreadsheet is like, and the data and the visuals what we prepare in spreadsheet is more of a static in nature. Here we are, what Power BI offers us is the simple way to learn and implement basic reports, and it gives an added feature of interactiveness and the dynamism where the charts and the bars and the pie within the donut or the pie chart can be clicked, and the data gets filtered and you get a filtered analysis inside based on that particular element. So that's the interactiveness what we are talking about. Let us see again, fast and easy development of visually interactive dashboard. That's what I told. Interactiveness of the dashboard gives the fun element of analyzing your data and business insights. Okay, you click on any element of your visuals, you get the entire visual dashboards and reporting filtered based on that particular element and reporting element. Highly scalable. Yes, at some point of time you might have faced like working on an Excel spreadsheet where thousands and thousands and thousands of rows of spreadsheets are available, where going beyond a certain limits of thousands of rows, your Excel tends to become slower, and the performance hampers. It becomes slower. Okay, so here Power BI eliminates such kind of performance degradation, with which is in Power BI it is highly scalable, and it goes beyond lakhs of rows of data, so without any performance degradation. Easy connectivity with various types of data source. Yes, it's very easy to connect to any data type available in the world now. It's more than 250 data source connectors are readily available through Power BI, which we will see in the coming modules. Okay, you can connect to n number of data, so whether it is a simple text file, CSV file, it's a Access database, or your SQL Server database, or Oracle database, or any website and all. So it's the connectivity and getting your data, importing your data into Power BI is very simple and easily shareable and accessible by the project team members. Your report, what you develop through Power BI, it's easily you can share with your team members, you can distribute to the team members, or else you can provide access to your project team members in a secured login based, secure rights based access can be given to your Power BI reports and dashboards. No cost solution for day-to-day basic report. Here again, I would say that Microsoft has come up with a fantastic strategy where Power BI desktop is, they have made it readily available for everyone, which is free, and it's a no cost solution where we can start to learn Power BI, and by simply downloading it from their download center and installing it onto the system, and start learning and preparing your day-to-day basic reporting, which is no which I believe is a no cost solution. Okay, so drill down functionality and many more features, many features are there, yeah, through Power BI, okay, which we'll see in our coming days of this journey. Okay, get started with freely available Power BI desktop. Yes, as I rightly said, that it's a no cost solution, and it's readily available on Microsoft download center. You can freely download it and get started with your Power BI journey. So download Power BI desktop, and you can start your learning journey and creating fantastic reports through Power BI.